What's the meaning of cocksure? Cocksure. Cocksure.
Cocksure. Cocksure. The adjective cocksure describes someone who is overly confident in their own abilities or knowledge. This term is often used to describe individuals who are recklessly self-assured, and who may take unnecessary risks as a result of their presumptuousness. Cocksure individuals may also be seen as arrogant, conceited, or even egotistical by others. While some level of confidence can be positive, being too sure of oneself can lead to mistakes and failures. It is important to maintain a healthy balance of self-assurance and humility in order to succeed in life.